One can sense India's pain in seeing its heavy investment in the Afghan terrorist franchise going to waste as a result of Pakistan's precise and effective action against terrorist camps and support bases inside Afghanistan. And the world needs no lectures from a serial violator of international law like India, a state that illegally occupies territory, violates UN Charter and Security Council resolutions, perpetrates state terrorism in the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, and beyond, systematically marginalizes its minorities, spreads hate, even weaponizes water with the express goal of starving Pakistan's population, and continues to use disinformation as a state policy. And the list goes on.